Meaning of gaming.
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 Gaming. Gaming refers to the activity of playing games, whether they are video games, board games, or other types of games. It is a popular form of entertainment enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds around the world. Gaming can be a social activity, with many players participating in online multiplayer games or local gaming events. It can also be a competitive activity, with professional gaming tournaments offering large prizes to skilled players. Overall, gaming provides a fun and engaging way to pass the time and connect with others who share similar interests.